Okay, once PyCharm has opened up, you'll be shown a window that looks like this. You need to click on Create New Project, and up here click on the three dots so that we can choose where to save our project files. So mine's going to be saved in Year 7 Python, but obviously you just need to put it somewhere suitable. Press OK and then press Create. That message shouldn't come up for you because it's the first time that you'll be doing this. Okay, once this screen appears, if you go to File and New and then choose New Python File and give it a sensible name, so we're going to call this one Introduction, and press OK. You'll then get your code window here. Now as you start typing, you'll notice that it's quite small. If you're struggling to see that, if you hold down Control on your keyboard and wheel the wheel on the mouse up, you'll notice that zooms in, and obviously holding Control and wheeling down will zoom out. So the first thing that you're going to be doing is typing in the word print. Notice that there's no capital for P. Opening the brackets, and you'll again notice that it automatically gives you a closed bracket as well. The same with when you put a speech mark in, which is holding down Shift and pressing number 2. It will automatically put some closing speech marks in as well. So in there, if you type in hello world, and then on the next line type in print and type something else in. When you then go to run and run, click on introduction or whatever you called it, and you'll notice that down the bottom we get a window open up which prints out the text that we've just asked it to print out. To do some simple maths then, again we need to use the print line of code, but this time we're not going to use speech marks because we're not dealing with text. So previously when we were looking at text, or strings as we'll start to call it, we use speech marks, but because we're now dealing with numbers, we can just leave the speech marks out. So if we type print 2 plus 3, and also we would do print 3 minus 1, and we can also do print, and as I start typing you'll notice that we get this drop down box. Now because print is selected, if I press the tab key, which is one above caps locks on your keyboard, it will type the rest in for me and put the brackets in, so that speeds things up. So in this one, if we did 3 star 5, and then on the next line we will do print 100 divided by 3. If we now go to run, and this time we can just click on the top one because it knows that we're running introduction again. If you want to press Shift and F10, that's a quicker way of doing it. It's a keyboard shortcut for that. And you'll notice now we've got hello world, how are you? And we've also got the results of our maths. So for the first one, where we did 2 plus 3, we've got the answer 5. Where we did 3 minus 1, we've got 2. And where we did 3 star 5, we've got 15. That's because the star is a multiply. And for 100 /3, we've got 3.33. That's because the / is divide.